Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys what I got in my newspapers. I'm not going to show you the P&G because a lot of you guys get it. I know pretty much I am not getting the Tide and Gain. That's one coupon I have never gotten in forever, so just, yeah. But pretty much everybody has those. So I'm just here to show you guys what I got in my Smart Source and Red Plum. You are supposed to get 4 inserts. My newspaper's lame, and I only get 3. So here is the Smart Source. We got bacon, Nature Valley, Marzetti, eggs, Ragu, $1 off Ragu. That's a good coupon. Some people get 75 cents, some people get 60 cents, but I get $1. Jergens, Almay. I'm hoping to get some good deals with Almay. $3 off a 2 of John Frieda. Never heard of these. Live Real Farms. Never heard of that. Biore, Claritin, Kauai Coffee, Olive Garden, Organic, Corral, Chic, 50 cents off of Jelly Good, $1 off of Ban, 50 cents and 75 cents off of Scrubbing Bubbles, worthless ads. Yay, $1 off of Kinder Eggs. My kid loves those. More Claritin. Checks. I swear I don't need to order checks for the rest of my life because I get so many coupons. We got Dr. Scholl's. $1 off the Clean and Clear. Sally Hansen. Right on the dot. Look at those nice jackets. Never Be Alone, Swans, and then I got some Scrubbing Bubbles, more stuff like that. So that was my Smart Source. My Red Plum, I can tell you, it's pretty much lame. It probably might be just going straight to the garbage. Oh, look at that. We got some deodorants, Dove, Axe, Dove, Degree, and Degree. Batteries, and that is it. This is a complete waste. I know a lot of you guys get better coupons. That's the reason why I order my coupons, because these are lame. So, just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!